Power BI is a new dashboard technology from Microsoft. It was originally an add-in feature within Microsoft Excel and now has become a new product. This dashboard technology allows you to see the big picture of making profitable business decisions. As team members track or enter data into their database, they can periodically sync the Power BI dashboard, where the software automatically updates the visual reports and graphs used by management to analyze data. Now, the manager simply needs to refresh their screen to view the team's most current data in real time. This main function of Power BI makes it easier to identify developing trends as they are happening, so appropriate business decisions can be made. Power BI training will help managers keep in sync with their data source as well as refresh reports on demand. In order to create visual reports, you will need to install the Power BI desktop tool, which is a free download. We will begin by getting the data source. To do this, press the Get Data button. In this demo, we will be using an Excel workbook. Every business uses some kind of data source. Power BI supports many different data sources and probably supports yours as well. Press the Load button to pull the data into Power BI. The Visual Report Editor is the most important part of Power BI. You can easily create tables and charts from key performance indicators to understand your data. Simply drag and drop your fields to create visual reports. Power BI supports many different visuals and will allow you to easily create new ones. Once published, open the Power BI web service, which is a cloud-based analytical tool to monitor your data in real time. Here you can create your dashboard, view any data, any way, anywhere, and by anybody. You can create new visual reports, set up mobile alerts when your data changes, export data to Excel, and get insights, which are suggested charts from Microsoft. Users can also ask questions in order to view the data from different perspectives. You can then share your dashboard with ease with anyone you choose. Other users simply enter the link and view your dashboard. They will see the dashboard to monitor data in real time. You can also drill down to view specific charts. The classes we offer are 2-hour sessions, which can fit anyone's schedule. Part 1, Power BI Overview. This will take you through the process from creating reports to displaying the dashboard in the web browser in order to understand how everything fits together. Part 2, Power BI Desktop. This is the free download development tool that creates visual reports. Part 3, Power BI Web Service. This is a cloud-based tool used to create dashboards for distribution to the World Wide Web. Part 4, DAX Programming. This is a programming tool used to customize a data source, create new measures, and calculated fields. It can also be used to customize user access to specific records in the database. If you use Excel to collect and analyze data, then Power BI is the next step, and it is a valuable tool for every industry. Go to www.elearnlogic.com for a schedule of courses available.